how do we begin to change this narrative for people to move away from like thinking about reliability from just this idea of, firefighting and maintaining status quo? How do we change the perception?
I think it's just stuff like this. I think it's conversations that need to be had. I
Yep.
think that it's communication, and like I find engineers as a whole, myself included, which is funny because I run a podcast and I do all this stuff, but we're notoriously bad communicators. and I think that that's part of our bottleneck, right? Is we fail to communicate effectively to the shop floor and to our upper management. And so that's why we don't implement stuff the best we can.